very beautiful.
Yeah, mina into engifuna ukisho yazi guys kwabazali. Yabo ingane mangabe isancane isakhula.
Yeah.
Kumele ube like ingane yakho kumele uyazi. Kumele uyifunde ukuthi njengoba incane kanje ikhula ingane ithandani yini athanda ukuyenza yini ayenzayo mangabe ehleli lapho uyakhona ukwazi ukuthi okay ingane yami uthi ngiyohamba ngiyomenza izinto kanje labo futhi avoid ingane futhi lokho busy igcwalize eminyango
yabona this thing Jone yokuthi thina we need to look like the outside world but the outside world yona ifuna ukufana nathi.
No phela angithi umsebenzi nje if ukhuluma kanje abangeke baziba kuzo. Abakuzwa.
Why not? But bakhona abantu abaphuma somewhere else whereby their English is not as good but bayikhuluma and bayikhuluma umsebenzi wabo it needs them ukuthi bakhulume publicly so.
Yabona ingane yami
njengoba mina ngihlala nomuntu wami.
Yes umuntu wakhe naseyamazi
yawazi kumbona ukuthi amhlanje ake khona ngiyambuza futhi mangekho right.
Yes.
Mele ube support structure kuye.
Yeah.
Yes it's supposed to happen like that. But now most of the girls what they do they want sympathy ibe kubona ngasonke isikhathi.
Most of the time
ukukhala amakhala
and attention and everything.
It's not like
Hallelujah. Welcome to Podcast 101. Coming to you live from KZN Kwamashu, guys. Ngiyadlala. Yo. No, guys, I'm kidding. We're coming from Reservoir Hills. Yeah. Angithi bathi Reservoir Hills is not part of Westville.
Akhona Westville la. So you said Reservoir Hills.
Wena jo ilokanje navane bathi i-region. I-assign i-region, but u-assign kuphi?
Westville.
Yeah, so Westville.
Uhlala Westville, uhlala Reservoir Hills, Reservoir.
No, it's under one umbrella.
Umbrella.
Ifana ne Germany ne Pine Town like I've explained.
Mawufaka i-address ku request ubhala uthi ngiye Westville.
Yeah.
Noma ubhala Reservoir Hills.
No. Phela lapho kumele uspecify lapho but yona it's under one umbrella.
Wena kweyakho le umbrella le yakho ke le umbrella
okay.
It's Reservoir Hills.
Westridge ne? Westridge I really under bayibiza ngani this thing. Peria. Yeah. I will under Peria.
Westridge phela ila ngasemuva kase Midway.
Yeah.
Yes.
iPeria ikuphi
yona? Yeah, but Peria Westridge.
Yes.
Ike lapho.
Same place.
Ikephi kwenziwani lapha ngiyazi lo ndawo mina ayikho ku map lo ndawo.
It's like
King Cetshwayo.
Yeah.
Yini manje le?
Isibhedlela.
Sakuphi?
Sase Westridge. Peter Mokaba.
Iman guys.
Yabona mawukhamba nge-N3.
Ngase Mayville, ngathi Mayville.
Hayi Mayville so kude lapho.
Ikephi kanti Westridge guys?
Ngathi Musgrave.
Yeah, iside yase Musgrave.
Overport.
Yeah.
Sikhona isikole kuthiwa Westridge. Isikole.
Not that I know.
Sikhona isikole kuthiwa Westridge.
Not that I know of.
Yeah, sikhona lesi sikole lesi.
Lesi sama
eceleni kwase PP.
Oh yeah. Ngiyabona ke lapho. Mina ngicabanga enye indawo but
mina angizazi neligama lalenkolo guys. Yabona lapha esayidini leya something bad really happened to me nje. Yanginika itrauma le ndawo. Guys, it's your boy Tasco, the host of the show. Co-hosting with me is the beautiful Umashenge. We've got our boy behind the camera, Paul Ndlovu Katsheni uboya benyathi.
Ayo.
Hallelujah boy. Ukren. Yeah. Mashenge. How was your day?
Hey guys, ulambele mnandi kakhulu namhlanje.
Yeah.
Ngihambile phela mfethu.
Yabona
inunuza yami. Inunuza phela thina sazala.
Yeah.
Basihleli thina sazala yabo.
Nathi nasheshe naqeda. I think last time you mentioned ukuthi uya act.
Yeah, uya act mntanami nkosami kuzalo.
Uyazala for real.
Uyacula, uyadansa, ukwenza konke.
Esinede ukuthi uzalo. Uyalibukela uzalo boy?
Ngiyalibuka mara angazi umuphi.
Awukazi umbone. But umbonile namhlanje musi.
In uzalo?
Ingane yakho. Oh yeah, but beka ku distance.
No, bengimpostile ngithi namhlanje but ngimposte kancane because besingavumelekile ukuthi sisenze ama
video. Una amanamba
kama
Kamashenge?
No.
hallelujah. Guys, kusho ukuthi mina yimi intambo econnecte each and every dot in this podcast ne. Makusuke mina nonke na disconnecta nje.
Yeah ne.
Yeah.
Kodwa it's fine ngoba sesimoya munye.
Simbumbeni, imbumba. But so far ilanga lakho belisharp ne?
Yeah guys, belida sakhula.
Uphume waya la ikwamasho kani uzalwa yimini ekuthela kuphi kani?
Ba excella lapha angazi ba excella ku but kamash but yena unesikhathi la ibizwa khona bakwi Trailblazers yamamlami lengane edansayo
oh is part of igroup yengane zaka mamlami
yes
but guys kuna yazi kunabantwana laba bababiza abafana the boys amantombazane the girls do you know that show egu YouTube abantwana base KZN and they created like almost like uDlamini Star. It's like more like a series ekhona ku YouTube or something. Yeah. Mashengu yangiphoqa. You should have known uyazi uwe like KZN.
Hayibo ngihlangana nezinto nazo hayibo. Hawu ingane yami engekho lapho mina ngihlangana lapho.
Awuhlangene. Yeah, like abantwana abancane by they've created that series and it's very beautiful.
Yeah, mina into engifuna ukisho yazi guys kwabazali. Yabo ingane mangabe isancane isakhula.
Yeah.
Kumele ube like ingane yakho kumele uyazi. Kumele uyifunde ukuthi njengoba incane kanje ikhula ingane ithandani yini athanda ukuyenza yini ayenzayo mangabe ehleli lapho uyakhona ukwazi ukuthi okay ingane yami uthi ngiyohamba ngiyomenza izinto kanje lapho futhi avoid ingane futhi lokho busy igcwaliza eminyango
futhi yodla mara spola asikhuluma sibe fair. I think for ingane, let's say ingane from a newborn stage ingane yakho for yona ukuthi iqualify for that certain position ukuthi ikwazi ukuvela TV. I think baqala ubuhle kakhulu nongathi uyaqala la ingane advertise ama pampers awukazi ubona isikobo sengane nje awukazi ubona isikobo sengane nje
ayikho leyo nto
guys come on guys nina nike nayibona ingane embi iadvertiser kwe TV issue one why le album there was this child. This guy ukhambe ku TikTok athatha ama photos then wathatha photo enhle with that girl aphethe albani nyano or something. Vumani why ningavumi lengane leya till today mina ngamboni ba advertiser ngaye and that picture is beautiful angaze ngimbone esinkweni sealbani angaze ngibone ba advertiser ngaye why
ngeke bamshisa bawuthe ualbani bawmention
Trump nami kwamina self ngawumention
ualbani uzithole leso sithombe leso sithola kanjani
it's everywhere and I think nakhona if I'm not mistaken it's either Eastern Cape or KZN mashenge Mario ngiphoqa as an influencer I think mele ngabe you are well aware
angisayona phela manje
yeah but you are a podcaster now if you are a podcaster you must know some of the things you must be aware of the surroundings and everything
ngizoyibheka namhlanje khulile
please
homework yami
Spola beljani langa lakho boy
mina very right
yeah
ukhathala nje kuphela
uphume esipanini ushaya ama order engeke
azange next
ukhathazwe yini bo
thina ngathi masilala abantu abalali la yazi
hayi yambona
no siyalala it's just that nje namhlanje you understand bengasebenzi kubingana next
so ikhathazile limaze sikhwama
yeah
but guys yabona this is leading to our next conversation I think this thing asi addressi like too much ne most of the jobs akhona manje are privatized so by privatized I mean we no longer be full-time employed with a basic salary or anything inside that company ube ne permanent abasayikhiphi permanent they do ama contractors like you fall under a contractor and then it becomes very easily ukuthi bakuxoshe awunama benefits so Nina what's your take on that one is it good is it bad
it's bad obviously it's bad ukuthi mina I've never worked like
under a contract
mina ngisebenza endaweni ukuthi ngipermanent like call centers I've worked in call centers impilo yami yonke ngisebenza call centers so nje
uqala nje usebenza vele bosebenza ku call center vele
usebenza uqala call center up until today I'm still working
kuma call center
yeah and futhi ngiya recommend ukuthi abantu babeceda isikole umuntu engenayo imali yokufunda ahamba e-call center. Call center kunemali, guys.
A call center, but I think most of the call centers maybe sometimes check my experience and the voice. And njengoba niyizi voice kaMashenge, it's
okay. Fact, the only
hi,
thing
how are you?
into ebalekile e-call center isingisi sakho. Ungena ngesingisi e-call center. Isingisi sakho.
Mawungazi
sithola bo e. Kusigisi.
Ngathi determine abayifuni leyo determine.
Bafuna ukuthi enhle kahle bafuna ama coconut. I'm not sure if the word is racist or what. Yeah.
Athi ngipuze.
Yours ama coconut.
Yini ama coconuts sifuna ukuzwa ngawo.
Ama coconut is those people whereby they're brown on the outside but white on the inside. Abantu abamnyama whereby nabakhuluma isingisi bakhuluma njengabelungu bathi yo bro. Ayo bro, bayatwenga your accent. Yeah, the way you
yeah, phela vele you have to, because hamba ushintshe
no way khuluma English njengomzulu wena.
No, for people abasebenzela international campaigns, like especially USA, bafuna USA accents, bafuna ukukhuluma njengabantu base USA.
Hayi, yabona this thing Jone, yokuthi thina we need to look like the outside world. But the outside the world yona ifuna ukufana nathi.
No, phela angithi umsebenzi nje if ukhuluma kanje abangeke bazi bakuzwe. Abakuzwa.
Why not? But bakhona abantu abaphuma somewhere else whereby their English is not as good, but bayikhuluma and bayikhuluma umsebenzi wabo it needs them ukuthi bakhulume publicly, so they are not as good nge-English. Like i-English yabo, like abo Cristiano Ronaldo, the players, uMessi vele in English akayazi at all. And bona ukuthi ukuphi in his career akayazi English, focus ku Spanish, angazi nokuthi Argentina bakhuluma ini.
Yo
akayazi English inhlobo, akayikhulumi. Every time kuba nama interviews yena ukhuluma ngeSpanish.
Why?
Unama headphones whereby I think bam interpretele or something. Yeah, umuntu oyizama ku English ku Cristiano Ronaldo, but na English yakho uyakhona ukuyizwa ukuthi okay umdubulo we-English.
Abayifundi ngani English? Why bengayifundi English?
Yabona there's this other thing ne engiyibonile, you'll correct me if I'm wrong, ne? Like begdlala ama-Euro manje. Ama-Euro it's a football tournament for the outside world.
Yeah, okay.
Lamazwe ase-Europe and everywhere.
Yeah.
La South Africa besiwa televise, we've got abantu bakhuluma ngawo ba analyze ama matches wow and everything. But when do you think ukuthi makudlala iAfcon, kudlala iGhana neSouth Africa, those guys eEurope bayabukela and bawa televise those things and then ba analyze ama match. Good guys, did you see South Africa, the chances they've made? Hey players, this Themba's on this that.
No, I don't think so. They're not focused.
Tina we more focused kibo than ourselves. Enebona abekho kithi. Same as this English. Why bamele bona bangafundisa Ndebele? Okay, we understand the English.
Hey, indaba isiNdebele. Indaba ngasho isiZulu. Indaba ngasho isiZulu.
isiZulu khona. isiZulu is more is aggressive.
It's too official.
Angizwanga.
It's too official.
Oh.
Officially Zulu? Never. Never bomfethu.
Indaba uyaphika yini?
Izulu?
Awusekele ukuphika kwakho uthi uphikelani? Why uphika?
isiZulu mina I was not exposed to isiZulu until I came here. So it's ilento esikhulumako. Yabona abantu baseLimpopo baqanga ukuthi le language yabo it's more popular because bahlala kuleyo ndawo. But only if uphuma ngaphandle, that's when you understand ukuthi okay, my language is popular where I come from kuphela.
Mara nezulu mfethu. Izulu
guys. Izulu the only thing that can make isiZulu popular, it's because isiZulu abantu bakhona abanenkani. They don't want to learn the other languages.
Ngobani?
Whereby thina asikhuluma isiNdebele I try ukuthi ngingathi ukupeyida ngithi ukuchatha.
Kodwa mina ngiyasithanda isisuthu.
Uyasazi isuthu?
Ngiyasithanda, angisazi kodwa ngiyasithanda.
Exactly. Which language uyaziko besides isiZulu and English?
Ngithathe ngifuna ukuthi English.
No, English everyone must know English. That's
nangu Messi akayazi English.
Ubani?
Messi.
Yeah.
So you can't say everyone.
It's not everyone, but thina kithi angithi bayiportray as a national language whereby it's an official language whereby singazwana ngayo sonke because everyone has their own mother language.
Yeah.
So ukuthi mina nawe sikhulume sizwane, we need to speak English.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, ne. Yeah.
Yeah. But then
even if it's
when it comes to umZulu nomndebele, mina I can sacrifice ngithi okay, awuthi ngizama ukuthi ngifaka amagama wesiZulu for umZulu ukuthi ang understand. Bazokutshela umZulu ukuthi hayi mfethu so uthini manje mfethu. No way. No way.
Guys.
Uze just a normal English is fine.
Hey, let's just speak English.
Abanye abayifuni English isiZulu. Awumuzi usikhumba athi uyafika umuntu abuza itext athi is this taxi going to Soweto? Athi uzongitshela ke musuqeda ukuphapha wena.
No, I think it's because of badala phela abantu abangale ya.
Ay, akunabudala aba next la. They need to meet other languages. Masikhuluma nawe uzama ukuthi mawukhuluma ungiaccommodate nami ngikhuluma ngizama ukuthi ngiaccommodate.
Accommodate thane asikhulumeni English straight.
AmaZulu amaningi awayazi English.
Shuthi kahle wena.
Kubonakala khona.
Shuthi sasikhulwa namaZulu.
No way.
Hayi
nginankinga nama guys ngihlalekeze tena izongishayisa.
Wayethwa intombazana nayo umZulu. Kanti intombazana ejola nayo yomZulu yamphula inhliziyo.
YomZulu? Ngikaze ngijole nomZulu.
Kanje phela wena no 8 years. So nje
hey mina
awunayo any relationship.
Umashengu uyathanda ukungibeka ku spotlight. Uyathanda ukungidayisa. Yo uyangidayisa, I'm telling you. And guys, okay, it leads to this next conversation. Esibe naye umashengu wangiphikisa ukuthi amadoda maybe bazongibiza nge-sell out, but amadoda ayaqhatha for ucansi, azikhathela intombi zabo. True or false? Ayapeyita. Angazi ngamanye ama language, especially amaZulu. Lifaka ntwela kamomrao kamo litlatse metsi ko maleng a fetsa le akaka le re litlina mala for
what?
A longer period in bed. Athi mfethu ngimkhathele mfethu, I have a friend. Ngimvakatshela ngamthola akele Shandisi. Ngithe ndoda. Ngithe mfethu manje wayewake this Shandisi. Bayibiza kanti that instrument le.
Jikjela.
Oh bayijikijela.
Yeah, yazi ngisho
le
egaqwa phezulu and then ipipe la khona.
Ijikjela.
Njikjela.
Ibhlungu leyanto.
Yeah, ale
ibhlungu jo.
Imayenza uvele ingenele nje amanzi.
Le shaya uthi mawuceda nje ukukhipha uthi vele fanele kube seduzane nethoyilet.
No. Yeah, obvious. Ngeke uyenzele dining room, bra. Mele uyenzele toilet. Mina I did it in last year in December. No, but not because of I was looking for last or something. I was sick, guys. Yo, I was so sick and ikshaya uphole manje ndo. Bengiphalaza something with color. So yazi ukuthi abantu abadala mabuza abantu abadala bathi ayinyongo. So I had to go. Brother, that thing is painful. Lo baba ngibona unginika iVaseline. Yo, unginika nale Shandisi, bra. Engithi ngisazama ukuyifaka, so I'm busy struggling. Ngibona uyangena lo baba uthi hayi ukhatha kanjani umile? Go down. Dunusa ndoda. Yo, anginika iVaseline. I didn't understand ukuthi iVaseline beyani yabona. But it was to lubricate my asshole and then ufakela Shandisi. Bra. Yabona ngiyenzile le Shandisi khona ngisizekile, but I told myself ukuthi I'm no longer doing this shit. But this thing is traumatic, bra.
Usangayidlalela le enye.
Yeah, mawufuna isebenze nto efanele uye khona.
Yabona masekubambile so good.
Yeah, but that one is better because of noma ngabe uchatha at least awusebenzisa ama pills nani.
Now prefer pills, brother, no ukhatha.
Ama pills is very dangerous.
Yeah.
Compare ukhatha because ukhatha at least uclean nomzimba.
Yeah, uclean nomzimba kodwa
ayike guys. Or okay, it's two against one. AmaZulu against uMndebele. Ayukhatha guys, no
I'm
way.
saying that amapills are clean. Amapills are straight. Lapha fanele yakhona. But lento lemokhatha, wonke mokhatha usebenzisa mhlambe imbiza imbiza lezo kahle kahle akusimbiza zokuthi izishone straight
clinical
yeah
so must clinical is like fresh grind so my imophuza pills so uzophuza pills and imophuza pills yazi ihlukena kabili imbiza ungayiphuza namhlanje kusebenzisele iviki lonke but pills namhlanje
1 hour 2 hours so right nje hayi mara mina ngeke yabona leyo khatha guys lo baba mangiceda athi izwa ama joint boy avulekile ne avulekile mfana
ukhetha khatha ungasuka la ngejubani uye ePine Town ubuye futhi
kusho ukuthi labantu abagijima imarathon beKZN bayachatha and we've got our guy oshaya imarathon yena uphuza impesu ke
yini manje
impesu ingozi kakhulu
yini le
impesu ungafuni ukwazi
umashenge kani waya actor ehall honors because uyayazi kahle impesu ukuthi
yini
there's no way ungazi impesu
mfethu igama ke lezi
impesu
energy drink
energy drink is
energy drink mina
akusi energy drink kana shenge so sort of like a powder thing
mina bengazi nokuthi powder let's do asichazele ukuthi i-powder isebenza kanjani
powder impesu
i-powder
isebenza abantu besifazane isebenza abantu besilisa
ukuthi kube njani
lento besikhuluma manje
ukuthi babe ne long lasting babe long lasting
abayithembini
akusikho lokho
sometimes not a matter of
sometimes kuba ukuthi
umdlalo uyaphela phela before uqala now
no most sometimes ukuthi most yabona for example
ungathi hayi
uthi umuntu yakufuna isikhathi eside
yeah
ekufuna isikhathi eside
ukufantasize already uqedile
ngawo le day lapha kuthola khona ilapho khaba empasini impisini empesi
impesi is vendor ne
baleka
ubaleka kanjani ungazi
ngenyawo zombi phela mina nginedlozi
hayi
idlozi liyangitshela
unyanga enjani ezilapha ngoba inyanga abathathu zilapha
baleka lapho
ungazikhuluma mesingesi
akukusho ukuthi akuloya wenzana kaloyi
akakuloyi but nje yena uzilapha yena ukuthi uLong Jovis angaceda umdlalo before uqala nje
and hey
uzogijima
umshini okuthunga
inamandla kakhulu
ayingeke guys ningayenzi leyo nto guys
mina I think yona originally mayisaqala it was meant for a certain age group because kuyafika at the age whereby now you are 56 you've got 4 kids no mama ene phela kudala bebashada abomama abasese bancanyana so umama makaqala afika at her 40s uyaqala manje umama isex drive it high wena so uthi 56 yakhe isex drive sethi low ene manje qala ingane ngicela imali lokucela lokho ingane icela lokho mawufika ebedini you are stressed so to avoid all that tension you need a boost mama will always be happy home happy wife happy life hey angisho nosiphushule naye bekasasicocela le story sakhe sokuthi bekalandi laundry ehle ithi nga hijack i story sakho jo awubatshele wena ukuthi bakwenzeli le story sakho
mina
ngeke usicale lapho i story sakho sitshele ukuthi kwenzakaleni
mina kahle story sakho
bekuno music bora
hayi bengithi ngilandi laundry lapha lo muntu angitshela ukuthi awusesuze kimi wathi hayi but ngokuthengisele umuntu wamadoda yambiza amadoda time sesungadla
what hayi
ngiboni
nethi ukuthi akusize nje
khona nginenkinga phela shuthi uyangibuka
kusho ukuthi ukubuka ebusweni ude umhlobo oceda umdlalo before uqala lo
ngoba sibayithuna omunye umjida ongibuza mina uthi lo muntu
wakhetha thina abantu bagcwele kangaka shop umphendula wathini
right my sister
right mar ushow right or umkremile lo sisi uzomfuna maso yi1 sewunemali
right
okren
no kona sometimes mina I know ukuthi when right when right
mina it's been a while
nabantu besifazana nabo bayakhona ukuthathela ukuthengela abantu babo khona abanye abathengela abantu babo
mara leyo uyoyifika uyibeka uthini kubaba
no
baba ngikuzele neimbiza iyenzani lembiza especially if yazulu bra umashenga lethele baba nasi sihlahla na into izokulapha
my the problem is that ihluke kayi2 uma umuntu wakho eza nembiza maybe bazokubuza akusathembeki uzoyitshela ukuthi uyakudlisa ofuna ukwenzana but yabona imbiza ingcono ngoba uyamtshela umuntu asiphuze afungaba aphuphe asiphuze if ungaba ngaphuzi or nawe uyayiphuza umuntu usifana naye uyayiphuza is fine but impeso uzothini ke ngaleyo
akwenzakala ukuthi ube umuntu wesifazana uthengele indoda yakhe impeso hayi bra
no sengiyasho ukuthi vele angithi ngizama ukuza le point ukuthi le mpesa ayizwakali ngoba
ayizwakali kakhulu
uzomnika phela fanele uyigcobise lena
impesa iyagcotshiswa kanti awansho ukuthi yaphuzwa
lo khona ayaziyo mina unolwazi oluningi
ngiyazi ngafundisa obubani
wafundisa obubani
ngiyazi mina ngafundisa obubani kodwa ke ngangayazi ngomina
ngeke
expose abantu kodwa ngiyazi ukuthi bangifundisa bangithethi yenza ukuthi nokuthi mina bengazazi izinto
sasikwathula
kwakuyinto vele ngiyisabayo vele angiyizwa abantu bayemara kodwa kwavele kwathi asini lento le isetshenziswa so
wabheka enkosini manje
ngakhonjisa ukuthi injani so that's why ngikhulumela phezu kwepoint
aba profit abangikhuzile ngabangani friends are not nice
no I'm not exposing I'm not exposing abantu
mina uyithethe
umuntu engithathe kuyimuntu eclose naye you understand
awukho close nampra uyithethe ayikima mina angisimngane akho too
okay it's fine
but I'm just saying that ihamba ibe nama effects you understand kumuntu because yazi umuntu wakho sometimes kuyadingeka ukuthi umuntu wakho manilala nibe natural
uyayijwayela iperformance yakho ukuthi iperformance yakho is always high nalo lomjovisi uyajwayela naye ukuthi mangisebenza always there's a boost that I have to receive before I can perform so mayingekho nalento isemqondweni
yes
let's say mhlambe kuyenzeka ukuthi awunayo at that stage
yabona manje
no
vumelana nento sasimtshelayo ngalela langa siyabonga guys
lalelani
uyivumela yena namhlanje siyabonga
ingqondo iyajwayela ukuthi izokutshela ukuthi njengoba lento unganayo iperformance yakho
wena uvumelana
ngakhona
siyabonga
vele weyinqondo esebenza
ngakhona
yafana ke manje angivumelani nami ke mina
wow uvumelana nazo
angivumelani nami
kodwa I feel like mostly man abantu abaningi mabasebenzisa this thing abayisebenzisi kubantu ababathandayo
ngeke
most abayisebenzisa kubantu ababathandayo impeso yonke lembiza lezi
usuyayisebenzisa iman phela guys mina ngiunderstand ukuthi ngeke ufike uphuza imbiza and then uhambe ulala lo muntu isifazane
kanjani
imbiza guys iyaclean phela emzimbeni so ulala nomuntu uyachama kuyena lungcola kwakho lokho bokukwena kungena kuyena
not kanjalo awuyiphuzi ukhumbula ukuthi awuyiphuzi manje and mase uyamba kweza umuntu no it's not like that
phela mangabe uphuza
kuba ngopet le yama uyiphuza ukhipha ungcola so for one day maybe upete ekseni and then ntambama uzobuso
ukukhatha nembiza phela it's two different thing I don't think lembiza yabo baba ikhambisa amathuba no way because there's a video that I saw ku TikTok but it was a meme so the guy utholi text emini ukuthi babe prepare yes phuza imbiza uyachatha lo mjida later on ngabo 6 uta mfethu ma angiseza athi ngiyaphapha sengikhathe kangaka ngaphuza amambiza ngaphuza yonke lenyakanyaka leyo
that's why you right yabona ke let's come to impeso yazi impeso ngeke ngizwa ngayo impeso yazi it's something that work fast compared to imbiza because of impeso
khona impeso nempisi
no impeso nembiza impeso ufana ube sure ukuthi umuntu wakho khona vele
noma uyeza show
angezi but abe khona endlini uyaphi
akekho phela uyambiza
mayumbize ke
yabona leyo kusela umuntu usambizile ungana show ukuthi uyeza uzoshaya indlwabu ubusuku bonke ndoda uzodonsa idrati ubusuku bonke ungayiqedi kuze kuse phandle ndoda and there's this one that I've seen recently man. What yin lama sweet bamixa lama sweet ne coke. There's this one that I saw recently.
Yes.
Ku TikTok bamixa ama sweet ne coke. I think now yobathi it gives some sort of high performance. No. Uma shange angenzi ngathi lento is not necessary. Nina nikhuluma kabi nina. Niyakhuluma. Khuluma kabi nina. Indoda mayingenza ukuthi icede umdlalo kuyenzeka is possible it's nature. Umdlalo uyaphela before uqala.
Yes.
Angisho ukuthi mina wami
ngiyabona lento lenzani. Yenza ukuthi abantu bonke abantu besilisa bayenze lento because of mongathatha ucheck ama video manje. Bo Joseph Dara ama video wabo King Ginger amantombazana akhala kakhulu
ukuthi I mina ungisatisfy
yes
awukaze no ungikhamise yo
akayichamisi ngani yena
you need the means to get there
ngani yena
oh uzenza kanjani umuntu wakhe khona
uyichamisa while nenza
self help
no
kusho ukuthi uhluleka ngaleyo ndlela ukuthi udike assistant
no Austin and the way osho ngakhona abanye abasi experience the way osho
abanye phela bayabuka vanuze bathi umuntu counter amazenge umuntu uyabuka abheke phezulu athi
hey guys nyago
athi
but those are the things vele ngeke niba is this natural vele zenzekalayo ngeke sibaleke that's why ithatha amantombazana amaningi athanda nabantu aba.
But I've heard this. I'm not sure how true this is. As a guy, it's very difficult to date a girl with a high sex drive.
Yeah.
When as a guy,
because
lo muntu oko la.
Yeah.
Logo ukufuna la.
Yes. That's why umuntu on a high sex drive. Umuntu wesilisa especially lawa bonde kakhulu abaphelayo marahlala nomuntu wesifazana ubobonda icon uyalimala
namhlanje le podcast ithomele mina ne
no akisho pero all right mara sengishela ukuthi yabo mohlala umuntu uyambona
ithomele mina lo namhlanje
because angazi bathi iqiniso vele ukuthi amantombazane demola nomfana ni gain ama vitamin from us so leyo ngibuza wena
ba train bayadla amantombazana vele ahlala thathe emadodeni
vele yabo njengami ngibona nje ngiyaglow
vitamin D
yeah sho siqiniso
vitamin D
I know sibesingaso
hayi kuyasho ukuthi njengoba thina
noma wathathe nje wagcobe
sibabi kanje ivitamin D yasitholi
bawumunyi
vitamin
bamunye
no mina kudala ngingenzi njaya so kusho ukuthi ivitamin V angithola
abamunye konke
and uthatha kuyambona ingakho ephuza njalo ngoba une stress
ijuice cranberry juice
no mara ke understand ke
hayi understand sasokhululeka sinawe
sibekile ngazifana inkinga nomunye unenkinga yakhe nomunye unenkinga guys to our next topic ne guys South African industry music industry especially this new genre amapiano it's very toxic man wow it's so toxic angazi ukuthi nina niyibona kanjani
toxic ngani
lo makangakolodi lo koloda lo mangadlimali ka lo dlimali ka lo
no but I feel like there's always one side of a story, you understand, most of the time.
Yeah.
Into engixakayo ukuthi most laba okhulunywa ngabo ngezinto ezimpi they don't want to
come out
yes
and now
it raises a question mark le ukuthi how come do you see someone giving you a bad publicity and not defend yourself iqiniso likhona
for example uzile Tido ku podcast yakhe where mention DJ Maphorisa okay it's fine I've heard the side of Siri one is Siri the guy
Cedric
Trill saying it's Siri
I kahle
and then ukhulumile sathi like a story and then when Tido abuzu uMaphorisa uthi okay Maphorisa promised ukuthi you wanted to come podcast
clear your side of the story but uyenzile uyenzile. I think uyenze ku Twitter uthumele ama screenshot by their proof of payment.
No.
But now uvale ama amount.
Yeah, now the problem is one. The problem is one. Ngasho mshana mucho case fine. Task yangikwethe imali. But mina ngisenda ama screenshot ama screening ngasendele
mina
usethi onsendele umuntu ukuthi I know ngiyana imali ngiyakupha mhlawumbe kudala and masinye ngise no ngabe ngimuphe namhlanje that's not the proof unless sifuna into ofana uyikhuluma na
why avala ama amount if it's something that it was very true to them but I think also maybe because this thing it's around one person if you can take it like this bad cloud is around there so I think angazi ukuthi ngibeke kanjani but
should lento le like yomakoletana yenzeka yonke indawo because even emaclubini oDJ hlezi be complain
yebo
abakhokhi ama owner wara akakhokhi lo sibani
yonke indawo
you know no the problem is one I cannot blame DJ Maphorisa.
Yeah.
You understand? There's anything for me because that guy does everything. Yeah. You know, the producer is whatsoever. Understand what I'm saying? And also
for the fact
remember for you to have a brand. Ukuhlana nomuntu njengophethe DJ Maphorisa.
Yeah, already
une
trademark Maphorisa. Ukubeka at that level.
Yes, understand what I'm saying?
To have his name under you.
Understand what I'm saying?
It puts you to the next level.
And then the other thing is man, also I feel like the guy I can say one, but DJ Maphorisa is very selfish. For me, I feel like Axe is not true.
Yazi lento oyikhuluma I think I've said it before.
It's not true.
If uMashenge akangazi mina, wazi wena. And then when uyamtshela uMashenge uthi Mashenge, uTasco is not a good guy. Already uMashenge makazi mina, he won't know the real me. But uzokwazi there's this cloud that you've painted kuye ukuthi uTasco has this bad vibe.
Yes.
So uzobona it bad vibe already gine bad vibe already mean. But now it goes back to why don't you come out and clarify these allegations to say guys there's these allegations, there's proof mina ngisebenza kanje because it might happen ukuthi uMaphorisa is right. The guys abasigner under yena, they are not fully aware of the contract. Because I'm a contractor, aswafundi kahle. Nami contract mangithatha imali ebank angifundi. And then the next moment ibank kama ingifonela ithi we've increased the percentage on your bank what. Yabona FNB is a bad bank sengiyachange ngiyangapha.
But you know the other thing is what I've noticed, I'm not into music too much, understand, because of understand. But what I think is also on other side, that's why I need 50% I can believe that DJ Maphorisa is doing something good. I'm just gonna speak about people. But other 50%, you know why I'm saying that? You know, Task, if ngabusangena le industry and we have a hit.
Yes.
A shy. The fact that we say to that person cool on a brand,
put my
and then that person
name on the song,
that person I change because of for DJ Maphorisa. DJ Maphorisa is good and master changing.
He producer,
and then I change, understand? And then now in the Khalisa Monster abaning is because of if ubuwa wonke music uqala even abantu abakhala ngawo uthi DJ Maphorisa and then must feature.
Yes.
You understand?
So
now already my DJ Maphorisa, that means the songs for DJ Maphorisa. You understand what I'm saying?
Like yabona this thing. That's why ngithi mina uMaphorisa angimblame kakhulu because it's everywhere. Bona there was this hit song umnike. Ne? Umnike yenzwe babantu esingabazi. Like mina ngishaya ingoma, ngishaya umnike ibe mnandi ingoma. But because mina ngiyazi ukuthi le ngoma manga irelease kuyimi. It don't hit. It don't reach that certain level. Then ngiyaku Kabza or ngiyaku whoever ngithi Joe put your name on this song and then kuma spreadsheet siyakhuluma ngama percentage and this. I adopted this song. Ayibeke under yena. And then mase mina ngibona ukuthi uKabza already is making hits bayambuka bamenzani ingoma ihit big time yabuya ngithi hayi uKabza utshontsha ingoma yami. Sing that thing.
But the fact,
but mina I went to him and said,
but the fact is that people who've been in this game for a long time, for long run.
Yeah.
They don't have to be babe. How can I put it? Babe greedy. You understand? Because of already born a dollar bakon. You understand? So that's why I'm saying that you born about destroy the game. You understand? Because of now those youngsters abafuna ungena to this industry. Vele bangena bazi ukuthi asini. Now I'm going there just you understand what I'm saying?
Yes.
So it kills. And then also the other thing is one also if ngabe ucheka for DJ Maporis why most of those people bangafuna ukuba like kuba kuma podcast and all those things.
Yes.
I think most of them basaba
gatekeeping.
The question. You know sometimes if umuntu akubuza question, you have to answer it. You understand? Why baleki? Have you ever seen the podcast Shibishin? That guy is pure. El Tildo and also Mekchi. That guy, the things that he says from Mekchi.
Mind you, sometimes another thing that we need to be careful because the podcast is the new thing. The only thing like when I'm Mashenge, you are an influencer. It's like you were an influencer. It's like you still are an influencer.
Yes. Okay.
You have things that you are selling.
Yes.
Now someday you want brands to approach you.
Yeah.
To say Mashenge, we've seen you influencing this and this and this. We are a certain brand would like to work with you.
Yeah.
So if you have a bad reputation around you, go to an okulmama brands gabi and this and this and this and this and this, brands won't come to you. You won't get businesses.
Yeah.
So you must be careful of whatever that you are saying with your mouth because it might affect your next paycheck.
Yeah, true.
There are brands whereby angakbalekela because of what you are saying. So you need to be careful. I think those guys they are very picky in the way they answer the question because there's this thing yokuthi ama brands azobaleka. Now I think zomelu be careful.
Careful guy manje mina.
You will never know which brand ekubhekile.
Yayisontela mina manje ngikhonza uJesu.
The other thing bengifuna ukuyibuza. Sorry to just say.
It's fine.
Any news for Shipshi?
Hey, bruh, that guy has been quiet, bruh.
Shipshi?
He's been
Who's
quiet
that?
since accident. Shebeshit is the guy he was the most popular guy in December. Shita tweka wena na matathunyana so.
Okay.
Shita.
Yeah.
So he was driving to a gig. I'm not sure he was under the influence or something. It's allegations.
Oh yeah.
And then an accident, I know baby mama or girlfriend. And then ingane bekhona in the car. Ingane unfortunately didn't make it.
Shame.
So there were rumors ukuthi allegedly guys allegedly just hearing things from outside ukuthi ulimele inyawo. It doesn't have a leg or something or something. I haven't seen him. He's been quiet since I had the only thing that I had to go to Malima paid for hospital bills and something and then quiet gone AWOL nje. But it's gonna be hard to recover if ingane yakho iyashona and you know ukuthi you are half of the chances ukuthi reason ukuthi ashonile uwe. You were driving under the influence. Brother thing you won't always be the same. Mina angazali I think it must hit hard on you. Abazali ukuthi imagine ingane yakho ikhambe ngesandla sakho
It's gonna be very tough. It's gonna be very tough. That guy need more prayers, strong prayers.
Bruh ukuthi nakhona abuya perform stage.
Uzosasa blezo sibindi sokuma phambi kwabantu.
And it's not gonna.
Hey guys.
Guys, there's this thing that I want us to raise awareness on. I know ukuthi thina abanye abantu asikayi esikolweni education yethu half.
Yeah.
Especially la KZN Mazulu. Oh sorry.
Amazulu ayafunda kaMazulu.
Abafethu.
Ayafunda. Hayibo amazulu graduate.
Ayafunda amazulu.
There's this thing yokudubula isibhamu phezulu.
No, lawa mapinga no.
Oh, thank you.
Ukhuma ngamapinga.
Yeah, but that thing I'm trying to raise this awareness because I've also saw it and Nami I've asked questions and I've found answers because there's this guy who posted video by because drive moto yakhe a bullet just came phezu screen inside the car imagine ukuthi windscreen iqine kangangani. So if you shoot, what I heard, angisisure, but abantu abenza science bashilo ukuthi if you point your gun up, you shoot the bullet, iya phezulu. Masibuya ibuya with the same speed, izolanda with the same speed ephume ngayo la. Angazi ukuthi science or what whatever.
Even nasekhaya inhlambi yakuyangena.
Endlini
babengajubula ekhaya but sebedubula khona.
And then iyangena endlini.
Iyangena masisibuya ibuya ngeforce inhlamvu guys.
But lento is not ayaziwa. Why don't they raise awareness of such thing? Because bayabona amabhinqa banokuphatha isibhamu. Phela isibhamu naso siyabhora uloku siphethe asidubule.
Mara ngeke siphela amabhinqa sikuyadutshulwa manje. Ingcwabo kuyadutshulwa.
Kuyadepend also ukuthi
umdlalo lo njengomdlalo wamanzi.
Being a gangster and then emncwabeni wakho they have to do that.
I think it's why umkhwanazi the police alilala. I'm not sure ukuthi position yakhe yini but uphethe la KZN. Bekathi abantu angisafuna ukuthi babe nebhamu. Normal residents. He was trying to push that agenda with abantu bangasabi nebhamu. Because now they are doing that thing and abanye ibhamu they not using it the way it's supposed to work.
Angithi phela nisibhamu ziyashisa. Zanishisa ibhamu.
And I feel like especially if
angazi sikushisa nalo
if uyintombazana, especially if uyintombazana thana nomuntu onesibhamu kuba nzima ukumshiya umuntu onjalo.
Yo,
especially if ngabe kuthanda.
Yo, ngoba uzokutshela ukuthi
yena fanele akutshela ukuthi ngisakufuna hambe. But most athi mohamba nami ngiyahamba.
Umashenge wavele wangwaya nje wathi yeah.
No, I know. I know a guy at home. That guy was a police. And all my ex-girlfriend would say one thing.
Can't tell you juicy last.
I know bengakhona ukuthi ngelanga mangithi ngiyakushiya I remember la ngihikile bengihamba ngihamba nabo but then Thomas athi ngaba unasibhamu abidala ngakushiya. You can feel ukuthi the fear of because if it happened one guy bekayi noma police babiza ngani mawusaqala kuba police kuba reserve
officer. Laba abanye laba bahamba endleleni.
What trainer kahle umfana intombazana besifunda naye grade 12 and sesiqede ukubhala ama exam ngo December. I think was a graduate uthathola isibhamu immediately girlfriend yakhe bengekho hambile nabangani bayo and then wayifonela ifoni off and then sezobathi idubulile intombazana wasayidubula naye.
Now I think leyo especially when it comes to police nami endaweni yakithi nje yenza kani why vele why
ayingeke
kanti kwamina mshanami wena Tasco mina engithanda nentombazane ephuma kumuntu onesibhamu.
Yes, awukho safe now.
Especially mawumzulu.
Uzongajona naye because bunga awazi.
No, abenza njalo labo. Yindoda. Mfowethu.
Awazi.
Bakuniki warning.
Yeah, bakuniki warning.
Mara ungasho ukuthi ngeke ujona intombazane uzojola naye but uzohlukana naye mase find out.
Yes, ngisho nje mase ngifind out ile nenakheni.
Wena
ngathi nombuzo
kuwe. Uma shenge ngifuna ngicazele le ndaba yakhe spam angizwa kahle.
Yini spam sani angina spam mina. Ngizozana spam mina ngisa spam mina hayibo guys
ujolile nomuntu onespam.
Angina spam. Ayo task yabo task ke manje unami ke manje seqalile uyaventa ke manje. Uyaventa.
Ngifuna ukuventela kahle.
Uventela kahle.
Bekenza.
Ngeke ngiphinde.
Yeah, guys. Yeah, since sikuma relationship kanje ne. Do you think ku right ukuthi umuntu a share I relationship advice yakhe nabanye abantu bangaphandle?
Never.
And like not the advice but I relationship status yakhe ukuthi kwenzeka kanje makangihethile echomi uphindile futhi lesilima.
Mawubuka example ngikwenzele enye podcast for example umngani you share everything no mngani wakhe best friend yakhe
I'm Themba. Yeah.
And then intombazane le use that as opportunity and then wamstoleli
wamthathela indoda.
Yeah, indoda.
Phela yazi mina my take
yes.
is
ayingakubhaqa.
My take is good or bad, that thing will come back and haunt you.
Hey, yo khotha sekushayile mina.
Guys, uMashenge kuphuma silwe hlukana ni nendoda kaMashenge.
No, you know iqala kuMashenge. Yaqala kuMashenge. Let me tell you something. Remember ama umuntu wesilisa. Uma ngixabana nomuntu wami. Ngathola any opportunity kumuntu wesifazana ozokhona ungilalela, ezokukhala kwami.
Yeah.
You develop the feelings.
Yeah,
for that person because the umuntu always it's either it's your friend or not. And let me tell you something, not all your friends will have like ukuthi ba face mina as your boyfriend yakho just wrong la. Some I'll come to them and khulume with that sympathy, and then after that they will understand shame.
Yazi leads wayini ne?
Yeah.
uMashenge une out yakhe imphatha kahle. Now he akakwazi ukukhipha that love and anything to herself. Abangani bakhe abanama partner bathola izinja.
Yes.
Ngithola. So uMashenge uposta everything, ushare nabo everything. Baby unginike vitamin D, baby uyangiguqula, baby imali, baby this, baby that, baby this, baby that. Umngani wakho uyayiwisha lento yakho.
Yes.
Uyayihalela lento yakho nethi ukuthi yena uthola izinja.
Yes.
So hayi kube nelipholu, amtshela inkinga zakhe, amtshele this and this and this and this and this. That loophole ezoba khona. The opportunity abayitholako.
Sometimes they don't strike. Sometimes they don't strike to take your man. Sometimes they strike ngoba shuthi abanguthi nawe ube in that position abakuyona.
Yebo, true.
And then when not knowing that okay, it's fine now, I'm losing something perfect. You understand? And then now you fall a trap. You understand? Can't you fall a trap? No, that's true. You understand? That's true. You understand? Yeah, that's true. I'm just saying that because of
Askis.
You know why I'm saying this? You know why I'm saying this is because of I have that thing ukuthi as thina abantu besilisa, you know, it's very difficult ukhalela especially kumuntu wesilisa, umuntu wesifazana. It's very because of sazi ukuthi as a man fanele ungakhali indoda ayikhale
and umfazi will come back and use that grief.
That's why when you check there's a video abahlala bayipost where there's guys, man, have you ever seen abantu besilisa mabephuza babonke babhemsana ukwayi benza? Have you ever feel that feeling kumnandi kanjani?
See happy.
Yeah, see happy. On social media, guys.
And then you can see the guys mafane khanjuke emakhaya, man. They start
baba see happy. Amadoda mawo.
You understand what I'm saying?
So ukuthi bafana bamile lapha
kodwa
abazani all.
Yeah. But in a conversation serious ndiyaxoxa.
So now as that's why ngisho as women sometimes more than nomuntu as a woman, especially your partner. Sometimes you have to know your partner. If partner namhlanje mayeza so without asking your partner, just in today are you okay?
Yeah.
Yourself umbona umuntu okumayeza namhlanje man today akasekho right. And then let me try some ways ukuthi you understand what I'm saying?
Spoiler mina I disagree with you. Even if indoda yazi indoda injani Joe, this thing bahlezi bayikhuluma. It's like this now, ne? You are not wrong what you're saying.
Yeah, I understand.
But now uzokubuza intombi yakho ne umchaze uthi baby as its financial situation is this and this and this or umtshele whatever reasoning that you're telling her ne when as a man you feel free, you're releasing stress kumuntu wakho is your partner, you're sharing a bed naye. But now when you start arguing and having problems wena uyomhlula ngenkulumo yena wenzani usebenzisa yona that same problem that boventa kuyo ngaye umtshela inkinga zakho, she's using that problem against you.
Now I'm coming to that point. You know, if uthanda yena umuntu kudala and then you've been hustling with that person, depending on uthando lwenu ukuthi how strong it is. You understand what I'm saying? Sometimes you cannot be open. Let me tell you something. You know, that's why ngithi akusizonke izinto oba open nomunye umuntu
yebo
zonke understand there are some omunye umuntu omothandana naye uthi asini
umuntu wesilisa kulula ukuthi akhulume
yes you understand what I'm saying yes but when as a woman uyakhona ukumenza umuntu wakho uthi akhulume nawe you understand
yeah
but that's why I'm coming to the point that it's very important as umuntu esifazana ukubona umuntu wakho ukuthi yasini not umuntu ama happy uhappy namhlanje kufanele ukwazi yasini umuntu wami ngiyamazi mayenza so like ingane yabona ukuthi nginengane yabona nengane
ngiyakuzwa mina
so ingane yami most of the time yabona ngikhamphela yabona ingane yami
njengoba mina ngihlala nomuntu wami
yes umuntu wakhe naseyamazi
yawazi kumbona ukuthi namhlanje ake khona ngiyambuza futhi mangekho right
yes
kumele ube support structure kuye
yes it's supposed to happen like that but now most of the girls what they do they want sympathy ibe kubona ngasonke isikhathi
most of the time
ukukhala amakhala
and attention and everything
it's not like you guys niyakuthanda kuba baby like
ayikho indoda engathanda kuba baby
let me tell something you know do you know ukuthi tina guys ne when we talk about quality time that's where we need that thing yokuthi have you ever mawuhleli umuntu wakho aqamele kuwena ukudlala ngentshebe ukuthi ukudlala ngentshebe and all those things you know those are the things that makes us like you know but because of nina ni recognize by nizenzi lezi zinto vele ngenzi
bra to summarize it all and make it one simple thing peace at home if there's peace at home kunothando umuntu wakho you can share this and share that and have fun and chillax kube mnandi inqoqe this and that and cook together watch TV together have fun
and I want to add to that point I want to add to that point that's why I'm going to say that I'm not a relationship advisor but I know most of the failing relationships it's not because of two partners banenkinga this abanye abantu aba inside it's either friends or that's you understand
that's why mina angikholela ukuthi umuntu wami ajwayelana nabantu bami ngifunde yona
no way
angimdingi angadinga abantu bami umuntu kwamuntu wami
angifunde
leyo nto
example kwena
venta boy
hayi
I've share example kwena
asimniki example
I've introduced my friend to bengihlale ePretoria flating I've met this girl with dating and then Sabashaps are moved together and then when we moved together but it was you know man mokhela umlilo wenzani uthi you see that love no you don't get time to know
new love acting quickly
uthando
2 weeks and move on to
elingozi lelo thando
I'm being honest and then my friend because of we the last time we've met at varsity wahamba oba ipolice wayeke varsity oba ipolice and we meet a guy because of I've just met a guy picture hey man come and see where I stay chill out
because umuntu wami mfethu
there are also some of the guys ehlana beflating we mahlana beflating and you know lento amachila seflating and hamba ngithenga utshwala njalo like I came ngoba mnandi oh man nangu mina sengicabana ne-girlfriend yami mangicabana ne-girlfriend yami I have to move out
that part
that's a problem
you have
to move in I have to close my flat to move to my
move nentombazana
now because of Saxabene I have to move out so when I move out I have to find another place where angakhona ukumbona so that
inhliziyo yakho ithi gozololo
abangamambayas but now the problem is that now ugere uhlala khona eflatini lakhe lo
wephoyisa omlethile kwami introduce
uzovasha eflatini amajita amtshetshayo man wona usumngani wethu mos
kanti
bye mangizwa amajita angitshete ndoda lo muntu sinibona avuka lapha that's why I've learned a lesson
ayinami angifuni
so I've experienced that
baqa
mara let's say angifuni ukwenza example ngomashenge la ipodcastini bazoze bathi sijola nomashenge let's say usipho unentombi ne
guys
let's say usipho unentombi Sipho is my best friend. Manginenkinga ngiyakuye, ngiyavakatshela, we chill, everything. I've known him for years.
Yeah.
Usipho uthanda nalentombi. Angiyayazi intombi kaSipho bayahlukana. Okay, isikhathi siyadlula kancane. Mina nalentombi we link up.
Yeah.
And then we vibe. Ne? Mas vibe siyajola. Okay. Is it wrong? Sipho is my best friend. Benga ithandi lentombi at that time. Ijola
no Sipho.
Yeah. Yeah. And then bahlukane banosipho. And then like connection iphele, let's say between lentombi no Sipho. And then I meet the girl mina afterwards. Sebahlukene. And then we vibe. Then boom, relationship grows.
That one no, that one is not wrong.
Bro code. Nothing.
No, it's not wrong.
That one bro code.
And bro code yang.
Guys.
And then Pugu Sipho ngithi best man.
Uyajwayela ke wena. Uyajwayela.
Obvious. The best man must come from my friends. And Usipho is my friend.
Nentombi yakhe leyo ozoyishada iqhamuka kuyena ngathi wena yonke
into inhliziyo ifuna lo emfundayo. Ayo emthanda njengosweet.
Aw
iyo ngikuthanda nomufeba. Ayo ngikuthanda nomufeba.
Ikathini go.
Angel. Wetali Angel. Yeah. Guys, hallelujah, you're still watching Podcast 101. It's your boy Tasco, and guys, it's the end of the show, unfortunately. Thank you for chilling with us. So without our boy, the noisemaker, the TSP, the ghost. I hope we have him tomorrow or the next time Slangana, but we'll see him there. So until the next one, guys, if you want to advertise something, please make sure you hit us through this. We'll put our numbers below. It's still free, guys. Any brand available that you want to advertise something, send them through. We'll advertise for you. Until we see you on the next one. Danko. Sorry. Guys, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Our subscribe in, guys. Our subscribe in. And
subscribe.
Guys, listen to this Kuluma Live podcast in Into Zethu. Asizinto ezenzeka kithi. Ba ningathathi ngathi masithi spam indoda kaMashenge nespam ayina spam guys.
Iyo
ngikuthanda nomufeba. Ayibo hey Angel. Dali Angel. Ay uyangifilana. Yakilungisa. See you on the next one, guys. Danko.